welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Missy, and every single Sunday we do a What's for Dinner, and I'm going to share with you guys in today's What's for Dinner 4 simple, easy meals. Also, I want to share with you the very last recipe is Jameson's tomatoes and noodles. And if you didn't see, not my most recent grocery haul, but the grocery haul before that, you will have no idea what I'm talking about. But I shared with you guys that Jameson makes this tomatoes and noodles that his mama used to make, and now he makes it, and it is just so good, and I'm so obsessed with it. So I am so excited to share that recipe with you guys today, because I know you've been looking forward to that. I'm just going to share with you guys easy, simple meals. This week is not anything crazy, out of the ordinary, anything like that. If you are new to my channel, all of my meals are basically simple, easy things that everybody can make, whether you've been making food for a long time or whether you're a new cook and you're just learning how to cook in the kitchen. This is some easy dinners for you, so let's go ahead and hop on in. So first, I would like to thank Dragon Touch for sponsoring today's video. This product is so exciting for me because does anybody remember these digital photo frames? They were like a huge hit a few years ago, and I am so excited that they are coming back into the decor world. If you're anything like me and you like to switch up your decor or you like to change out your pictures, but it's such a pain to take those frames down from the wall and change out all of your pictures. With this digital frame, you guys can literally switch out your pictures as much as you want, and it's so quick and so easy. Now, there are a few ways to put pictures onto this frame. My favorite way is by using the app. All I do is I go into the app and I add pictures, and in a moment you will see how fast they go to the frame. Also, I love that this is just a quick, easy setup. You can either put this little thing, this little stand on the back and stand it like I did, or you can also hang it on the wall. This thing also has some other features as well, like an alarm clock if you wanted to put it in your bedroom, or if you needed to set an alarm so you know what time to leave, or if you're cleaning and trying to just get some things done, you can set an alarm for that. It also has the weather on here, which I think is so cool, especially when the kids are going back to school. If your kids are going back into a school setting, you can check the weather for what to wear that day, and I think that is so neat as well. I also love that there is a timer on here where you can adjust how many seconds or minutes you want each picture to change. You can also change the effect on how the pictures are coming in and out. You can change it if you want them random, if you want them in the order that you have placed them in. Here's where you can change like the zoom effect or slide, however you want it to show up on your screen. I just think this is so cool. It just works off of Wi-Fi and it's so easy. I am going to have a discount code for you guys down below. They are giving my subscribers 20% off, and it's already affordable, so make sure you guys go check them out. I just absolutely love this product. I love this brand. They're just so amazing, so make sure you click on the link down below and check them out. So now we are going to hop into some dinners, and on this particular night, I had just come home from class. If you don't know, I am getting my real estate license, and so I've been going to class for that. So I just needed something that was quick and easy that I could put together. So tonight we are just making some turkey bacon ranch wraps. This is so easy, and everything I have here is from Aldi. If you missed my last grocery haul, make sure you go check that out because it was such a good grocery haul. I got so much for such an affordable price. But here I'm just going to be cutting up some tomatoes, and like I said, I was making up some bacon. We also were getting low on bacon grease, and if you're from the South, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We always save all of our bacon grease. Right now I'm making Boston's wrap, and so all I did was take some ranch dressing and spread it on the tortilla, and he just wanted bacon and turkey on his, so that's what I did. I cut it in half and I served it with some chips. Y'all, I have said this quite a few times, and I'm going to say it again in case you are new. as long as you guys are getting something on the table for your kids or your family to eat for dinner, it does not have to be fancy and it does not have to be gourmet, but anything you're making at home is better than eating out fast food. So here's to you for making dinner. If you are making dinner tonight and it is a sandwich and some chips, then by all means, you go, girlfriend, because you have completed another task for the day. So here I'm just making mine, and I use that spicier ranch dressing that I also showed in my last What's for Dinner, how to make that, and it's so delicious. I love this. This is also a good lunch idea as well if you're just in a hurry, and you can also take this on the go. So now I'm just going to be making a pot roast. This is something easy you throw in the crock pot in the morning. By the time you get home from work, it is done and you have dinner in literally, you've cooked it all day, but you've literally already have it done. So I'm just taking our roast and then I'm going to cut up some potatoes and I'm going to add some baby carrots as well. So I am just going to be using this McCormick slow cooker seasoning packet. If you saw my grocery haul, you will know that they did not have the Italian dressing seasoning packet that I usually use in my roast along with some other things. So I just settled and got this and it was really good. I've used it before and we do really like it, so it was totally fine. And then I'm going to add half a stick of butter. I had never done this before and it was just some random idea I had in my head because that's how I make Mississippi pot roast, or that's how you make Mississippi pot roast, is you add a whole stick of butter. So I decided with the water I was just going to add half a stick of butter. So I did that and it turned out amazing. I feel like it just gave it so much more flavor. I do have more butter on top of my potatoes and carrots here, and I dip my roast in A1 sauce. Please tell me I'm not the only person that dips their roast into something. So the next night, this was a new recipe and I loved it. It was so good. So it's just a 1/3 cup of barbecue sauce, a 1/3 cup of honey mustard, and almost not quite a 1/3 cup of hot sauce. The recipe did call for a whole 1/3 cup, but I decided to opt out and just not do as much. So now I'm just taking some thin chicken breast here and I'm just coating that, and then I'm just going to cook them on the stove until they are done. This would also be really good on the grill, but me not wanting to get the grill and charcoal and all that, and we don't have enough gas on the propane side or the gas side, whatever you want to call it, and so no. I'm also wanted to share with you these North side dishes. These chicken noodles are so good. This is just a simple side dish. If you guys don't know what to make, grab you a couple of these at the store so you always have them on hand. That is what I like to do, and they're so easy and they're so good. So this is what was for dinner this night. We also had some cheesy broccoli, this chicken, and these chicken noodles, and it was so good and such a hit. Like I told you guys, this chicken was delicious, and it would be even better on the grill. But even if you don't have a grill and you have to cook inside like I did it's totally fine. So now on to the star of the show. This is Jameson's Mama's tomatoes and noodles. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel like mine turned out a little bit different, but I honestly feel like it's just because when someone else makes something for you, you can never make what your grandma made the exact same way. And I feel that way with tomatoes and noodles. I feel like I do not do it the exact same way, but I promise you I'm doing everything he's doing. So anyways, without further ado, let's hop into this recipe. So I'm just taking some water and then some helping tablespoons there of some bacon grease, 2 beef bouillon cubes, and then you're going to take your elbow noodles and you're going to boil them until they're done. Do not strain your water. And as far as measurements go on water and noodles, I would totally have to ask Jameson what his thoughts are, because he doesn't measure just like I don't measure, so I have no idea. If y'all can eyeball this, then you're gonna be a champ, because that's exactly what we do. So I would say this is about 3.5 cups of water to about 2 cups of noodles. I think if you did that, you would be totally fine. So then I have a large can of whole tomatoes, and I'm just taking a knife and kind of cutting them up because they are whole tomatoes peeled whole tomatoes, and so I don't want these huge chunks of tomatoes in there. So I'm just taking a knife and cutting them up, and then I'm just going to add that to the pan whenever they are about close to being, when the noodles are close to being done. I'm also going to add some salt and pepper, and that is it. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you go check out Dragon Touch and go use the coupon code down below. I love you guys so very much. Have an amazing start to your week. I love you so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.